Indonesia destroys a record 214 tons of I don't know if I'm allowed to say these words. This word, okay. Our president vows crackdown. Right. So what is a crackdown? From here, this is the key word that I think is a little bit interesting. So vows a crackdown. Yes. So to make a vow is to make a promise, right? To make a vow is to make a promise. So make a promise to, let's see, when you do a crackdown, it means you're stopping something, right? You're preventing something from happening, right? So, what is it called? We can just say berantas, right? The Indonesian for crackdown is the closest word is probably berantas, right? Are you okay? Your voice is not as usual. I'm not yelling today. I'm not yelling today. Aku nggak teriak-teriak hari ini, okay? I'm not yelling today. Jadi, we're more santai. But I'm okay, don't worry. Terima kasih. Thank you for asking. Okay. Right? So crackdown is probably berantas. Everybody knows what the D word here is, yeah? Okay, I'm trying to avoid getting BANNED. Okay. So this news was updated literally today. Yeah, literally today. Look here, guys. The blue here, right here, literally today. Okay, so here we go. The picture. Wow. Stunning. Not great, okay? There we go. But this is a problem in many countries, right? This is a problem in many countries. Yeah, it's not just our country. People tend to like this stuff. I don't understand why. But there we go. So, seized D on display as the president leads the destruction of a record 214.84 tons of NAR. I can't pronounce that word either. I think I might get flagged, okay? So, seized. That's a good word to start with, right? Seized. To seize something is to take it away, like officially, right? Berarti sita, ya, atau disita gitu. Kalau in this case pakai ed berarti NAR yang disita. There we go, right? Seized, okay, are on display, di display, as the president leads the destruction. So, destruction, basically, we destroy it, right? So, destruction is another word for destroy, berarti dihancurkan, right? That's what we go. Of a record. Oh, so this is a record. It's a new record. I don't know I think that's a bad thing, yeah? If this is a new record, it's a bad thing. Okay. Right. The largest haul ever confiscated by the National Police. The largest haul. Haul itu kayak, if you go shopping, belanja, there's a haul lah. Itu hasil dari kamu belanja atau kamu mengambil sesuatu ya. It's basically a haul gitu ya. Like that. Bahasa Indonesianya haul itu nggak ada sebenarnya. Like direct translation of haul itu nggak ada. Ya yang ini. Haul. Pokoknya hasil dari kamu ngumpulin banyak barang itu haul. Artinya kayak gitu. Hasil dari belanja itu juga bisa dipanggil haul gitu. Intinya kumpulan banyak barang. It's a haul, okay? Susah banget translate haul ya. Haul, there's no Indonesian, right? Okay. So, confiscated. Confiscated, disita. Another word for sita ya. Jadi tadi ada seized, yang ini. Ada juga confiscated. Yes, another word for sita. There we go. Synonym, yes. Okay, by the National Police, oleh Kepolisian Nasional. Yes, in Jakarta on Wednesday, October 29th, 2025. Okay, this is where the news is from, guys. Okay, let's continue. So let's start reading. Our president, I don't know if I'm allowed to say his name. That's the thing. I got flagged a few times. On Wednesday, reaffirmed his administration's commitment to eradicating NAR down to the roots as Indonesia destroyed a record 214.84 tons of seized I'm not saying it. The largest haul ever confiscated by the National Police. Okay, this is what we read before. This is the same sentence, yeah, as what we read here. Yeah, so I don't think we need to translate it. We can translate a few words here, yeah? If you understand this sentence, you understand this. Okay? It's the same thing. Okay, here. Maybe eradicating. Eradicating is basically memusnahkan, yeah? Right? Eradicating. You could say memusnahkan. Or basically you're just getting rid of. Gitu ya. Memberantas juga bisa ya. Gitu. There's a lot of translations for it. In English, it's very flexible. Yeah? Understood? Understood? Okay. Now, down to the roots. Nah, ini. This is a nice idiom. Yeah, idiom or idiomatic expression, yeah. Down to the roots. Sampai ke akarnya. You know roots, right? A root of a tree, a root of a plant. Akar. There we go. Okay? So, yeah. There we go. Jadi this is the commitment from our from the administration, okay guys? Okay, nice. We'll see. Our battle against NAR, yeah, I'm just going to pronounce half the word. Our battle against NAR is it's hard to win. Apparently there's a huge market for it. It's crazy. Okay. Speaking at the, how do you pronounce this word? Speaking at the Bayangkara field in Jakarta, Prab called for stronger collaboration between law enforcement and the police to combat cartels and trafficking networks. Okay. Particularly along Indonesia's vast coastlines and small ports. Oh, I like the language on this news source. Yeah, I like the language on this news source. They're pretty good. I like it. Okay, let's continue. Speaking at, okay, this is where he gave his speech. I think maybe he gave a speech or like an address, yeah? Aku pernah ngomong nih, gave an address. Yeah, memberi pidato. Yeah, it's not always pidato, tapi pokoknya ngomong di publik gitu ya. Okay, called for stronger collaboration. Dia memanggil apa atau menyuarakan gitu ya, kolaborasi yang lebih kuat between apa ini? What is law enforcement? Law enforcement. This is a very easy word ya. Wait, law enforcement. Aduh, ketiknya mantap banget, typo. Tetap salah. Enforcement. Oh my gosh. Miss Wina's typing today is not good. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Police. Yeah. So law enforcement is police atau literally penegak hukum gitu, kayak aparat penegak hukum ya, literally. Yeah. Okay. The police and the public, dan publik, to combat, yeah, drug cartels, I don't know if I can pronounce it, and trafficking networks. Okay. Yeah, I think we all know what this is. Yeah. I think we all know what that is. Let's continue. Particularly, yes, terutama, particularly along Indonesia's vast coastlines and small ports, ya. Along, itu sepanjang di sini karena we're talking about coastline, ya. Sepanjang coastline. What is a coast? Aku nanya ke siswa intermediate aku, coast itu apa? Some people are confused ya. Pesisir atau kalau coastline itu mungkin kayak garis pantai. Tapi nggak perlu ada pasirnya selalu ya. It could be like pesisir gitu ya. Tapi ya begitulah. Ya. And small ports. Ports pelabuhan ya, kecil. Jadi publik juga harus membantu untuk melawan NAR. There we go, yeah. Not only the law enforcement. I do agree that we have to raise awareness, yeah, about how bad being addicted to this is. This yang aku highlight biru tuh, lihat ya. This word. Nah, there we go. It's not good. Okay? Kak, tiap hari live jam berapa dan kapan live-nya? Ketinggalan mulu. Nggak ketinggalan, aku baru mulai. Kamu hari ini nggak ketinggalan, aku baru mulai. Nanti di up ulang lagi di aku nggak bisa sebut sisanya. Ganti aku kena issue aku. Okay. DU splash TUB. Okay. Nah, lanjut. At thousands of illegal ports. Oh, aku baru tahu ada illegal ports. Oh, wow. Okay. At thousands of illegal ports, di ribuan. Illegal. Bukan ilegal ya, bacanya illegal in English. Pronunciation-nya ports, pelabuhan-pelabuhan yang ilegal. We must confront this threat with our national tradition, unity. Okay, right, there we go. We must confront, kita harus menghadapi. Confront, menghadapi. Okay, this threat, ancaman ini. Threat is ancaman, yes? Okay. I think I'm translating too much, but whatever. With our national tradition. Dengan tradisi nasional kita atau like identitas kita mungkin ya. I think that's a better word. Unity. Persatuan. Gitu guys, gitu ya. Unity, persatuan. Yeah, that's our motto, right? Unity in diversity. I think that's our motto for Kementerian apa sih? Pariwisata or Wonderful Indonesia. Very good. Okay. Let's continue. Oh, someone nanya, confrontation apa? Confrontation itu kayak cekcok. Kayak bahasa Indonesia apa tuh? Cekcok gitu. Confrontation itu kayak ada pihak A sama pihak B itu kayak nggak akur gitu. Mereka ada masalah gitu. It's confrontation ya. Sama kayak confront dari sini ya kosakatanya. Okay, let's continue. Okay. The destruction marked the culmination of NAR seizures. Nah, ini seizures diambil lagi dari kata seize. Jadi kalau kamu ngerti arti seize, sita, seizures juga ngerti. Sama aja artinya, cuman beda bentuk ya untuk grammarnya. Kayak gitu, oke? Okay, the destruction marked the culmination. Okay, culmination apa miss? Gitu ya, itu kata-kata yang susah. Nah, the destruction, penghancuran dari the NAR. Okay, wait a minute. I got a notification. Give me 10 seconds. I got a notification from TikTok. Wait a minute. Why did I get restricted? I'm playing a dangerous game. Iya, pelanggaran lagi. I don't know. I always get pelanggaran ya. Mau berita apapun yang aku baca, aku pelanggaran TikTok gitu. Ya sudah gitu. Oh, ini kosakata ini kayaknya nih. Ini. Oke, scroll dulu. Enter. Gitu. Okay. Ya, TikTok emang luar biasa. Lanjut aja ya, kita lanjut ya. Okay. The destruction marked the culmination, penghancuran tersebut of the NARC ya. Menandai, culmination is puncak in this case ya. Yes? Okay. Jadi kayak udah nyampe kayak the kalau bahasa Inggris ada lagi selain culmination ya, like the tipping point or like the climax juga bisa ya. Gitu. Jadi kayak udah nyampe puncak dari penyitaan atau permasalahan yang ada, like that ya, guys. Understood? Okay. Made between October 2024 and October 2025. We've had this problem for a long time, apparently. I mean, most countries have this problem for a long time. Okay. According to the National Police Criminal Investigation Department. Okay, this is where we got the source from, ya. Menurut National Police Criminal Investigation Department. Ya. I don't have to translate that, I think. Ya. Departemennya itu nama departemen. The massive haul ketemu lagi kosakatanya. Aduh. Geser. Taruh dulu. Okay, the massive haul included termasuk. Oke, ini semuanya baca tuh. Kayaknya aku nggak boleh sebut ya, nggak tahu ya. Kayak ini, aku pengen ngajarin pengucapan yang benernya kayak gimana. Cuman I don't think it's allowed. So I'm just gonna leave it here. Kita tidak usah baca. Nggak jadi di ban. Okay. culmination sama apex bedanya apa? It's 11-12 lah, bedanya tipis. You can probably use it for both cases. Yeah, in this context, both is allowed. Okay, let's continue. Here, our president said the fight against is not solely the responsibility of the police or military, but a shared national duty. Okay, so this is what we're always reminded of. It's not just the police and military's responsibility. Yeah, it's everyone's responsibility. Okay, so our president said the fight against hampir. Okay, apa namanya? What is it called? The fight against, mungkin bisa ditranslate sebagai kayak pemberantasan okay ya, is not solely, bukan hanya atau bukan semata-mata, bisa kayak gitu ya, solely the responsibility, tanggung jawab of the police or military, polisi atau militer, but a shared national duty. Tapi ya, but ini tapi atau melainkan ya, a shared national duty. Yes, apa namanya? Otak aku ngeblank tiba-tiba. Tugas bersama ya. Oke, tugas bersama di skala nasional. Okay. He describes citizens as the eyes and ears of the state. I agree with this. Yeah, surveillance, right? He describes, ia menggambarkan ya, warga, citizens, as the eyes and ears of the state, sebagai mata dan telinga negara. Okay, so if we see something weird, report it. Yes, if we see something weird, report it. Okay, guys. Solely baru. Okay, bentar. Solely kita tulis dulu. Wait a minute. Let me highlight it first so you guys can see it. Where is it? Soul itu kayak sendiri gitu, you know, like if you're gitu, soul itu kayak sendiri gitu kan. So there's a word. Solely yaitu sendirian gitu. Your life is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search results because it contains content with low visual quality or static imagery. Huh? We have detected and enforced content violation. TikTok. Appeal. Taruh, aku melawan ini soalnya. Gitu. Okay. Nggak tahu ya nyebut nama presiden iya atau enggak. Aku nggak sebut semuanya aja, udah. Semuanya yang kena sensor aku nggak sebut, udah. Okay. Mata dan telinga. Okay, correct. Yes. Crucial for detecting suspicious activities in their communities. Ya. Crucial. What is crucial? Krusial, bahasa Indonesia sama aja. Crucial for detecting suspicious activities. Mendeteksi aktivitas-aktivitas yang suspicious, mencurigakan. Yes? Suspicious. Okay. There we go. In their communities, di komunitas masing-masing atau di komunitas mereka. Yeah. Agreed. Pindah live di sebelah mana? Di you gitu. Bisa jadi. Mungkin besok aku pindah sono. Tapi dikit orangnya soalnya. Soldiers and police must serve the people. Agreed, tentara dan polisi must serve. Serve is what? Melayani, right? Rakyat, okay? When citizens report something suspicious, ketika masyarakat melaporkan something suspicious, sesuatu yang mencurigakan, like a ship docking at night, ya, seperti kapal yang berlabuh, docking, yes, berlabuh gitu. Kalau di sini kan ada ada ingnya. Dock itu bisa juga pelabuhan, another word for port, ya, tapi beda skala, oke? Oke. Pada malam hari, that's a warning. Itu adalah peringatan gitu. Okay, they wouldn't land on a dark beach, ya. Mereka tidak akan. Kenapa pakai land di sini ya? Lebih bagus dock, cuman mungkin biar nggak ngulang-ngulang kosakatanya ya. Oke, they wouldn't land on a dark beach. Nggak mungkin mereka berlabuh di pantai yang gelap gitu. Logikanya, logically they wouldn't do that, right? They if jika they are not up to something, ya, jika mereka tidak melakukan sesuatu up to something, ini konotasinya negatif tapi ya in English ya, gitu. Up to something, gitu kan, melakukan hal yang mencurigakan. Ini bukan hanya untuk tindakan kriminal ya, tapi ini juga untuk up to something itu kayak misalnya, kayaknya kamu lagi melakukan hal yang mencurigakan, mungkin kamu lagi nge-planning surprise party buat orang gitu. Itu juga bisa dipakai untuk itu ya. Makasih yang udah nge-like banyak banget. Like terus dong, tap like. Cik. Aku gak boleh ngomong itu ya? Itu kayaknya gak boleh deh ngomong tap. Itu gak boleh ya kayak gitu. Oke, terima kasih sudah mengirim itu. Aku bahagia sekali. Cik. Oke, ini aku jelasin dulu, belum selesai ya. Up to something itu boleh dipakai untuk hal-hal yang positif juga, yang casual juga. Cuman kayak kamu lagi gerak-geriknya mencurigakan gitu loh. So for example, next week mungkin, ini nggak asli ya, tapi next week is my birthday. Mungkin kayak gitu. Tapi teman-teman aku, they seem like they're up to something, you know. My friends seem suspicious. Oke, suspicious tadi ada di situ ya kosakatanya, lihat ya. My friends seem suspicious lately, belakangan ini. I think they're up to something. Kayaknya mereka lagi planning sesuatu gitu ya. Mereka lagi planning sesuatu, something like that. So, here we go. Ya ada yang aneh bener. Itu juga boleh gitu. Okay. So, there we go. Yes, he said. Okay. I don't know if we have to read the rest of it. The vocabulary I read is very mencurigakan. But yeah, if you see something suspicious, report it to the police, guys. I think we should do this more often, yeah. In many countries, the police sometimes seem like they're not doing much, but I'm pretty sure if you report it, something will happen. Yeah, that's it. Oke, aku kayaknya bakal balik lagi dengan berita lain. Aku off stream dulu ya. Terus nanti aku on stream lagi. Kasihlah aku 15 menit. Aku on lagi. Kita bahas berita yang berbeda. Ada request gak? Ada request topik mungkin?